Pioneers of the rail that crisscrossed our growing nation more than a century ago. Say, folks, what do you get when you cross Mickey's Toontown with a country fair? Why, you get Mickey's Toontown Fair, of course. Won't be long now, and we'll be arriving at the fair. Our next stop on the Walt Disney World Railroad. Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Goofy, and a whole bunch of their members are there. Having themselves a real blue ribbon day. You youngins might want to take some time. You'll have fun and show Mickey.
Please remain seated, folks, till the train comes to a full and complete stop. Then you're given that all clear. This is Mickey's Toontown Fair, the stop for Tomorrowland and Fantasyland. Once again, folks, please remain seated until we come to that full and complete stop, and your conductor is giving you that all clear. Remain seated, please. Please remain seated. A little further to go. Remain